How to choose Pokemon for Smogon teams. Are you ready to build a winning team in the world of Pokemon battling? Choosing Pokemon for Smogon teams can be a fun and strategic process. Let's break down how to make the best choices for your team. First, think about your team's strategy. Do you want to go for an offensive approach, a defensive style, or maybe a balanced team? You might also consider weather-based strategies like rain or sand. Once you have a clear idea of your strategy, select one or more Pokemon to form the core of your team. This core will be the foundation around which your entire team is built. Next, it's important to assess the weaknesses of your chosen core. Each Pokemon has its own strengths and weaknesses. Identify what threats your core struggles against. This could be due to type weaknesses or the inability to handle certain defensive Pokemon. Understanding these gaps will help you choose the right teammates to fill those roles. Now, let's add some Pokemon to address those shortcomings. Look for Pokemon that can cover the weaknesses of your core. For instance, if your core struggles against bulky water types, consider adding a Pokemon with strong electric or grass moves. The goal is to create a team where each member supports the others, creating pressure on your opponents from multiple angles. Maintaining a balance between offense and defense is also key. Your team should be able to apply offensive pressure while also having the ability to defend against common threats. If your team relies solely on type synergy, it may not perform well against popular strategies in the current metagame. Speaking of the metagame, staying informed about current trends is essential. Knowing which Pokemon and strategies are popular can help you anticipate threats. Regularly updating your team to counter common opponents will keep you competitive. Once you have your team set up, it's time to test and revise. Playtest your team against various opponents to identify any weaknesses. Adjust your team by swapping Pokemon or moves to better handle threats. This process of refinement is vital for improving your team's performance. Lastly, don't forget to use resources from Smogon. They provide detailed analyses and community feedback on Pokemon and strategies. These resources can help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of the Pokemon you are considering for your team. In summary, choosing Pokemon for Smogon teams involves defining your strategy, assessing weaknesses, adding supportive teammates, balancing offense and defense, considering the metagame, testing your team, and utilizing Smogon resources. Each Pokemon should contribute to your overall plan, ensuring you can effectively respond to a wide range of opponents. Happy battling!